Hey there, welcome to English with Hamda. Today is going to be a grammar lesson about transitive and intransitive verb. Let's move into the lesson. Before I explain what transitive and intransitive verb is, let's look at a sentence. She is playing. This sentence has a subject which is she and verb playing. So the subject is a noun. It is the person or thing who is doing the action. And the word playing is intransitive. A sentence with intransitive verb has only a subject and a verb. There is no object. Let's move to the second example. George is eating. Here, George is doing the action and the action is eating. So, eating is intransitive. Now, let's move to transitive. A sentence with transitive verb has a subject and a direct object along with a verb. The direct object is the person or thing acted upon the subject. Let me give you an example. She is writing an essay. She is the subject, writing is a verb, and essay is the direct object. So, this sentence is a transitive sentence. Number 2, Mike is drawing a picture. Mike is a subject, picture is the direct object, and drawing is a transitive verb. Now, finding transitive verb can be difficult. To find out the transitive verb, ask questions with what and whom. If you can ask questions using what or whom and the answer to this question is the direct object which is transitive. Now for example, mother is cooking rice. So let's ask a question, what is mother cooking? So the answer is rice. So rice is the direct object, so this is transitive verb. If there is no answer, then that means there is no direct object. So that's intransitive verb. Now let's move to the second example. She is reading. Let's ask a question. What is she reading? It doesn't make sense, right? There's no answer. That means there is no direct object and therefore reading is an intransitive verb. I hope you all understood today's lesson. If you did, smash the like button. Thanks for watching.